Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one's coming from Cointelegraph, and Bitcoin bull market awaits as U.S. faces bear steepener, says Arthur Hayes. Bitcoin is witnessing a 16-year high in 30-year U.S. government bond yields, and money printing is all but guaranteed, says the ex-BitMEX CEO. So yes, Arthur Hayes is the ex-CEO and former co-founder of BitMEX, the exchange out there. He was a banker. He's an American entrepreneur. And yeah, let's go over this article because, yeah, America, printed $275 billion in the last 24 hours. So it's crazy. So yeah, here we go. Bitcoin flipping full bull could come courtesy of the United States government, a new prediction says. In an X thread on October 4th, Arthur Hayes, former CEO of crypto exchange BitMEX, eyed ballooning yields as a precursor to a new Bitcoin and crypto bull market. Hayes says Bitcoin bulls should eye US no way out moment. Now, the US Treasury yields are screaming higher, and with that, Hayes believes that a macroeconomic flashpoint is only a matter of time. The reason comes in the form of a so called bear steepener, a phenomenon that describes long term interest rates rising more quickly than short term ones. Now, why do I love these markets right now when yields are screaming higher? Bank models have no concept of a bear steepener occurring, he argued. Now, given the current steep rise in the 230s curve, the difference between the 30-year and 2-year yields, combined with the rising long and short-term interest rates, the pressure across the economy is rising. Now, due to the leverage and nonlinear risks embedded in banks' portfolios, they will be selling bonds or paying fixed on RRS rates rise more. And now more selling begets more selling, which is no bueno for bond prices, Hayes continued. Now, the result should be clear: a return to mass liquidity injections counteracting the quantitative tightening seen since late 2021, which has pressured crypto markets. For Hayes, this cannot come without major casualties along the way. He concluded that the faster this bear steepener rises, the faster someone goes belly up, and the faster everyone recognizes that there is no way out other than money printing to save government bonds markets. And now, the faster we get back to the crypto bull market, and then he goes, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." And here is a chart showing the 30-year bond yield, 1-month chart from sources from the TradingView. Now, separate data from TradingView shows that 30-year US government bonds yields hitting 5% this week, a first since August of 2007 before the global financial crisis. Now, continuing the discussion, Philip Swift, creator of Statistics Resource, Look into Bitcoin and co-founder of Trading Suite, Decentrator, voiced his support for Hayes' prognosis. An accompanying chart showed Bitcoin's relationship with Treasury yields that would be the major catalyst for the Bitcoin bull market. He commented about the theoretical return to money supply expansion, and then he's showing the Treasury yields versus BTC/USD annotated chart, and the source from Philip Swift/X. So here are the 10-year, 3-year yields, while the Bitcoin price is here. So now, U.S. debt sees its own October. Alongside, the U.S. continues to add its record high national debt at an astonishing pace. 2 weeks after the debt tally passed $33 trillion for the first time, the government increased its total by $275 billion in just one day. Now, this did not go unnoticed among financial commenters. We have here Joe Consorti on Twitter showing that the total U.S. debt just rose $275 billion in one day, the same amount as last month's total borrowing. Yet, unskilled military-aged foreign men are invading, violent criminals caught and released, open-air drug use, American culture is in shambles, the U.S. doesn't work for you. And it goes on more, and he's showing a chart of how, right here, they increased the amount in that one day, so crazy. Now, in a single day, the US added more than half of Bitcoin's entire market cap in debt, Samson Mosi of Bitcoin adoption firm responded. So yeah, that's something like 10 million Bitcoin, and yet there are still people that are unsure if 27,000 is a good price to buy, right? So that's crazy to even think about in that sense where, yeah, that's what is that, more than half of Bitcoin's price? That is. What is Bitcoin's market cap right now? Let's see if this article shows it. Here we go. So Bitcoin, let's take a look at its market cap because let's see. Let's do loading. It's got a volume trading. Okay, I would have to look at coin market cap to get the true price of that. But no, pretty crazy though. Like, like literally, that's like, so that must mean like it's just about Bitcoin probably at 500, maybe close to a trillion. But yeah, so get your Bitcoin, guys. Don't don't not be a no holder out there, because that's probably the worst thing you can do. If you just don't trust Bitcoin, at least hold on to some gold and silver. Just keep it in your own hands. But yeah, that's that news article for you. If you guys did enjoy it, smash that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.